Si Papa kumakain ng prutas din umaga. Matamis yan.
I honestly cannot wait for our flight. Time went by so fast. I woke up at 5. It's gonna be the first time that I fly, I think, since Berlin. And Berlin was like 2018. Was it? This is it. After 5 years, we're going to the Philippines. Okay. I'm literally gonna pretend like I'm not from here. Just gonna keep talking in English. And I'm like, excusez-moi? It's kind of like a slang to like be Asian, because a lot of times people just assume that you're a tourist. Got the customs. It was horrible, guys. I hope I don't have to experience that ever again, but I have to. We finally made it to Abu Dhabi. I think like a 3-hour layover here, so we're really gonna get bored here. Guys, I learned that the layover is 8 hours long enough to be.
Nakamasula sila pero dikit-dikit lang yung mata.
Right now it's 11 p.m. here. And the thing is gonna show, the gate is gonna show at like 1:25 a.m. So yeah, we have to wait for 3 hours. 2 hours. 2 hours. It's not as hot as I expected. While waiting for our luggage to arrive, I'm gonna tell you a little story of when I got off of the plane. Me and my sister really wanted to go to the bathroom. I wanted to say the number 2. And toilets in the Philippines really confused me. And so basically I did my business and everything. I got there and then I stood up and I was like, well, now how do I flush this? I spent like a solid 2 to 3 minutes trying to find it. At the end of the day, I did. Like, thank you, Jesus. Wow, the way they really yesified and cinched my luggage. Hey. We made it to like the house, I guess. But like we're at my auntie's house. And then after this, we're gonna head to our own house. But yeah, catching up with the cousins. It's been very fun. Yes! Oh, it's so hot here. Oh, we finally made it to our room. We finally made it to our room. Oh my god, it's really loud. To our room. To our house. She is divine, isn't she? This is my room. She's very empty. It's giving dance practice. Ba't naka-on pa? Ano daw, soft drinks? Naka-on pa? Snacks, soft drinks. Okay, kaya nang pwede. Gusto ko, ano ba? Ay, pala. Oh my God, I'm so bland. Anyways, that is my favorite. Favorite. So ever. Siguro isang root beer, isang coke. Diba?
Good. Ba't ganun? Kumita ka naman.
Ooh. 4th time's the charm, am I right, babes? Hello po.
May yellow pa kayo? Ay, wala po kami yellow.
Okay.
Oh.
Love how I'm kind of matching the house. Tipo's here and pretend like I'm a furniture. Watch. We have SIM cards. We bought SIM cards, and there's like it says plus free photo cards. Oh my god! I can't wait to see who I pull. Okay, let's see. Girl, I don't know who these are. Who is this? Hi! Oh my god, we got Andrea Briantel. Oh, I don't know who this group is. I barely stand it. I don't know who this is. Sorry guys. I haven't watched any Filipino series in so long. Oh, can't wait to store this in my binder, y'all. Oh, photocard set. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh, diba? Diba?
Papasok ka ba sa loob?
Hindi pala kayo kung narinig ko na lang.
Di ba ba makupilang na po? May mangang.
Ha? Sundan lang natin yung bag. Sunset.
Balat daw naman.
Kasi hindi lang kayo nasanay. Oo.
Ano? Feedback?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Di ba?
It's currently 2 a.m. But I realized that I forgot to explain to y'all what happened in Abu Dhabi. So I'm gonna quickly, briefly explain it to y'all. So basically, we like got our boarding passes in Geneva, right? Keep in mind that me and my dad have the same name, almost. It just has like Angel, as his middle name. We got our boarding passes, whatever. We get to Abu Dhabi, whatever, and then we go to check our tickets, and we saw that we got assigned to the same seat on both of our thingies. We get to the thingy, they said that we're like gonna board us last, and then they told us actually only one of you can board into the plane because that's what it says. One of the other person doesn't have a boarding pass. Anyways, as I was saying, they say only one of you can board into the flight basically, and then my dad loses his shit, started like full on like saying, "This is your bag." Anyways, it was very stressful, but at the end of the day, we got to the Philippines. So, yeah. But Miss, you know who you are. Fuck you. Fuck you. She was like, oh, she was kind of rude. Etihad, if you see that bitch, fire her, please. When I tell you, we slept like babies. We all did, except for my dad, because he woke up early, but I think we good to effort today. Here's a little TMI for y'all. I feel like the biggest problem that I've had, in the Philippines, it's not the homophobia, it's not the heat, it's thin toilet paper. Anyways, biggest problem that I've had is thin toilet paper. At my grandparents' house, they have oh, diba? Ay! Ah!